你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final WANG. When you see the English letter UANG in Pinyin, the pronunciation is WANG. WANG is a combination of U and ANG sounds. Say WANG. It's like the Wang in the Chinese last name, but over-exaggerate the by opening your mouth as wide as possible. Say Wang. Be careful not to pronounce the G sound too much. It's barely pronounced. Say Wang. Now, mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Wang. 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 When the final wang is not following an initial or consonant, it's spelled as WANG. Pronunciation exercise for wang sound. Let's combine the initial ch, the final wang, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Ch, wang, chuang. Repeat after me. Ch, wang, chuang. Chuang, chuang, chuang. Chuang is window in Chinese. Let's combine the initial sh, the final wang, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Sh, wang, shuang. Repeat after me. Sh, wang, shuang. Shuang, shuang, shuang. Shuang is a pair of in Chinese. Question. When you see UANG and WANG in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is Wang. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.